guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video, as you can see, I will be cleaning my very messy kitchen. This is during my work day. It is just shortly after lunch. We were decorating cookies that I have made, which I baked that morning. And we decorate gingerbread cookies, so I had to put away all the stuff from that, but I never had a chance to put it away before I had to make lunch for the kids, so there's that as well. Just one of those busy mornings, and the kitchen kind of suffers in that process. So I am finally done with baking, so I will be putting some of that stuff away as well, because that I bring up so much stuff from downstairs for the baking and keep it up here until I'm done, so I don't have to go back and forth getting my supplies like cookie cutters, cookie decorations, and extra sugar and whatnot. So yeah, so come and watch me clean. Hopefully this will give you the motivation to clean yourself, or just clean along with me.
Decorate the tree, only you and me. I'll be making plans, make you understand. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you
So I always tend to clean from one end and work towards the sink. So that way one area is done before I move on to the next area, and so on.
I've been waiting for so long for you.
I am not putting any of these the pans into the dishwasher. I'm just hand washing them. That way I have more room in a dishwasher, because if I were to put these in a dishwasher, I would have no room for anything else. As well as the cookie cutters, I wash them with the warm soapy water, rinse them and let them dry, and then I put a paper towel on the bottom and on the top of the container, so that way it collects any moisture that may have been left on them. That way they won't rust.
Let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain.
Most of my cookware, my everyday cookware, is either cast iron or stone. I do have like non-stick pans and stuff like that, but I generally use my cast iron pot for a lot of the cooking, or the pans, and for baking I mostly use my Pampered Chef stones. With that, I can put those in a dishwasher. Well, I could put my cast iron pot, but I read that if you want to prolong the life of the coating, that you really should just wash it with warm water and soap. Whenever I'm cleaning the kitchen midday, I use an all-purpose method cleaner to wipe down the counters, and at the end of the night, my last kitchen cleaning, I use my method antibacterial cleaner.
Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance.
We're gonna dance, dance, dance,
Come on.
dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
I also had tons of crafts to put away, to package up for the kids to take home, because this was their last day with me before the Christmas break, so I wanted to make sure that they take all of them home. I'm also packaging up in these little bags, little gifts they have made for their parents. We did the salto ornaments with their handprints on them. I have little gifts that I had purchased for them, just a little something so they can take home. For me, it's just a book and a puzzle for each child, so I am packaging those up for them, and I picked up these Paw Patrol and Frozen gift bags, which I'm sure are going to be a bigger hit than the present itself. So I want to just let you guys know that if you are not following me on Instagram, you should. I've started doing Instagram videos as well, and the stories are pretty much include my daily doings. So if you're not following me, I would love it if you did. It's Domestic Diva 76, so go check it out. I also have a Facebook page, a Pinterest, and a blog under the same handle name, so would love it if you stop by. My blog contains a lot of recipes and a lot of DIYs, tutorials, so it might be something you'd want to stop in and have a look. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you all so much for watching.
I wonder if it's what I thought. Oh, it's Christmas Day. snailing by.